Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this cute 50s look on Dress to Impress. Please do not mind the back, so let's get started with the video. I am going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is the hair, and I did use some VIP items for this. For the hair, I used this one over here in this color. Position the Y at 0.47, Z 0.45, rotated the X to 0.52 and scaled it to 0.44. Grab this hair in the same color, position the Y at 0.55, Z 0.57 and scale it to 0.53. Grab this headband over here. I use a thick one because it covers the bald spot, so I'm just going to select this. Colored it white in the first toggle, rotated the X to 0.49, scaled it to 0.38. For the outfit, we're going to use this bathing suit. Color the polka dots black, the bodice white, the trim black, and the bow. I used this pink color, like this dusty pink color, C68989 in silk. Then I went into VIP and I used this skirt over here in the this dress in the third toggle, in that same color in silk as well. I grabbed these shoes and colored it black. And I also grabbed this bag and I used this pattern. And I did black for the middle accents and I did pink for the pom-poms. Then I also used these socks in high stripe in all white. And I also used these gloves in all white as well. I think I might make it matte. Like so. And that is it. You have this super cute outfit on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.